आज कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा कि मैं कह सकूं। आज कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा कि मैं कह सकूं। और ये भी नहीं और ये भी नहीं कि कहे बिन रह सकूं। कई किस्से, कितनी कहानी सुनी हमने सभी की जुबानी। कई किस्से, कितनी कहानी सुनी सभी की जबानी। इतना ज्ञान समेटा है जैसे हमने ही पिया हो घाट घाट का पानी। अब यहां से लेंगे हम एक नया मोड़। अब यहां से लेंगे हम एक नया मोड़। नए किस्से, नए लोगों को साथ जोड़। For the last time in season 1, with unknown stories of known people, in their own style, in their own fashion, in their own swag, we bring to you जाने अनजाने, मेरी कहानी मेरी जुबान। Namaskar and welcome to the last and 24th episode of season 1 of Jaane Anjane with me, Rajiv Mathur. Our guest in the show today is someone who is very, very special to me. He has been my guru, teacher, mentor, guide and philosopher in the security industry and has always set examples, not only with his knowledge, but his style and even dressing sense. From a tenure in the uniform in JNK to PM security, from Blue Star operation to hijack negotiations, he has done it all. Even after serving the country for so long, he is still contributing and working with a top mobile service provider of the country at a very responsible position. Very young, vibrant, full of energy, I am honored to have Shri Sudhir Gauriar. Sir, जाने अनजाने में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत और हम अभिनंदन करते हैं।
Thank you, Dr. Rajiv Mathur. Thank you for all the adjectives, which I wonder whether I deserve or not. But our association certainly has been very significant in my life.
Your introduction has unlimited description, which I cannot give, and everyone knows. But जाने अनजाने की जो खास बात है वो ये है कि हम अपने मेहमान से एक बड़ा ही सिंपल सा सवाल पूछते हैं कि, और आपके लिए भी वो सवाल ये है कि सुधीर गौरियर एज ए पर्सन क्या है, ये हम आप ही से जानना चाहते हैं। ऐसे कहते हैं ना, मेरी कहानी मेरी जुबानी। तो आप बताइए कि सुधीर गौरियर कौन है?
It's a very difficult question that you have asked me right in the beginning, but I can describe myself as a humble gentleman, that's all, with a zeal to help everyone. I will just give you one example for it. While I was doing my training, a great man from the country had come to deliver lecture to us. And he had told the class that looking after your boss is your duty, but looking after your colleagues and your subordinates is your greatness. And this went inside and I practiced this throughout my career. So today I feel that one should be most humble as much as possible, be kind and be generous in whatever you do.
आपके बारे में एज अ पर्सन हमने जाना, लेकिन आपका प्रोफेशनल करियर जो उतना ही वाइड है, उतना ही वाइब्रेंट है जितने आप खुद हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए. How has been your journey, professional journey till now?
See, as I said, my career has been absolutely different from others. I started as a soldier. I joined the border security force as an officer. Worked there for about 5 years. Then I came to Delhi and joined the commando group of the BSF, and that was one of the turning points in my life. Then unfortunately we lost Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and I was immediately taken into PM security in the intelligence bureau. And then there was there was Thakkar Commission and so many commissions, and based upon their recommendations, a new force was formed, the Special Protection Group, and I was one of the beginners in that as an assistant director and responsible for the Prime Minister's house and the Prime Minister. And that again was a kind of turning point in my life. From uniform, I came into, I became a gentleman, you can say. And then that again was a turning point, and I stayed there for 10 years with almost 4 prime ministers. Went crisscross around the world, went to almost 45 countries. Like PM Modi travels, I also used to be with the prime minister that time, and went to 45 countries. Then from there, again, there was a shift in my career, and then I joined the hardcore national security. I joined the cabinet secretariat, became a bureaucrat and an intelligence man. And there I remained for almost 5 years. And then that was the time when our country was, all these foreign companies were coming into India, and seeing the advent and estimating the kind of growth, I switched over from government to private sector. And as I told you, I completed 23 years in the private sector, and I had completed 23 in the government. So today I have 46 years in my.
Wonderful. So interesting to hear all that. But ये ऐसा आपका करियर रहने वाला है, ऐसा इस तरीके के आप काम करेंगे आगे जाके, बचपन में आपने कभी सोचा होगा या नहीं सोचा होगा, ये हमें बताइए. टेल अस मोर अबाउट योर चाइल्डहुड. और क्या आपके पेरेंट्स या माता पिता शुरू से ऐसा चाहते थे कि आप ऐसा कुछ करें? उनके बारे में भी हमें बताइए.
See, everything that happens in life has a bearing at your childhood. So I right from beginning, now coming to, I was born in a very humble family. My father was a railway officer, and I was born and brought up at Gorakhpur, studied in a railway mixed primary school. My fee was only 2 rupees that time, and my father's pay was 600 or 700 rupees that time. But we had, I think, a fairly simple living and high thinking kind of life that we spent. Both father and mother were hardcore patriots, and we were taught even to stand up in the room when the national flag was, national anthem was going on. That time there was no TV, so on the radio also, whenever national anthem used to play, we all used to stand up in the house, everyone. That kind of patriotism was incubated right from the beginning to me, and it all worked in my life, in my career. When I went for my interview, and because of this, I had joined the Boy Scout, any railway Boy Scout, where I was taught all the, the decency of life, truthfulness, obedience, and discipline, nationalism, patriotism, and all was taught to me right from the beginning at Boy Scout phase. And ultimately I got the highest award also in this thing. I was the President Scout in 1967. Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed was the president. He awarded me, he gave me, I have the photograph also somewhere. We were all taken into Rashtrapati Bhavan. So that's all those, beginning of my career, of my school days has impacted and from that time only I started thinking of joining the forces or uniform, and it happened also. I'm very glad it happened. No, this was all childhood. As I said, humble family, good education, good manners, good training. And then I joined, the moment I graduated, I got selected through the UPSC into BSF, and I joined the Border Security Force, which was absolutely in amalgamation with what I had been thinking and doing. So it happened for good. And then the life at BSF, as you know, was right in the beginning. I was at the border, did number of khurafat there also, and got number of infiltrators, etc., as it happens. And then I came to the commando group of BSF, and where I had to go for Operation Blue Star and many other, as you mentioned. I went to arrest the hijackers to Dubai, and that was a very great piece of diplomacy that time by the government of India, and we could negotiate with the hijackers and also with the UAE government and bring them back to India. And the moment we landed, I had to physically arrest them and then hand it over to the police. So that was another important operation that I did. And then after joining, then as I said, Mrs. Gandhi was killed in 84 and SPG was formed. So during that period of 1 year, 2 years, I was with Intelligence Bureau and then joined the SPG. So remained with the Prime Minister's, traveled and all that, as I said. That again was overall my life has been absolutely different from others. It is 46 years, not 1 year multiplied by 46. It's actually 46 years of varied service that I have rendered, and I'm glad about it.
तो इतना मुश्किल टेन्योर 23 साल गवर्नमेंट में और 23 साल कॉर्पोरेट में, फैमिली में इसका सपोर्ट बहुत जरूरी है. मैडम का सपोर्ट इसमें बहुत जरूरी रहा होगा, बच्चों का इसमें सपोर्ट, या आपकी एब्सेंस कई बार उनको खली होगी. तो मैडम के बारे में, बच्चों के बारे में कुछ और बताइए.
As it is said that behind every successful man there is a woman, and this has been absolutely true in my life too. And my wife bore the complete brunt of my, all the qualifications and all the achievements that I could get. My wife has been the sufferer. My children have been the sufferer. I have a son and a daughter. They are of course big enough now, and I have grandchildren now. So, but due support was very necessary. When I received that President's Medal, the Prime Minister, Mr. Narasimha Rao, gave me that medal, and he told my wife that time that all these medals and all these your husband is winning is only because of your sacrifices. And he was very right. There's no doubt about it. And I just want to, Ruby, come here for a minute. I want to introduce my wife to you because she has been the instrumental behind all that I have earned in my life. She is Ruby, my wife.
नमस्कार. आज आपसे पहले हमारी मुलाकात हुई है, सुधीर सर के साथ कई बार हुई है. तो ये जो हम जाने अनजाने का प्रोग्राम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं मैडम, फर्स्ट सीजन का लास्ट एपिसोड है, और सर को तो मैं एकदम पूजा करता हूँ सर. और ये पहली बार है कि आप या कोई स्पाउस या मैडम हमारे साथ इस प्रोग्राम. तो सर, सुधीर सर जो बात करते हैं ना, वो निराली होती है, वो अलग ही होती है सबसे. आज भी उन्होंने जो किया वो बात अलग. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत और अभिनंदन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर मैडम.
Great. So she is the one who is, has been whipping me to earn all these laurels, and I have done it. Thank you, Ruby.
जो मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ वो एक ऐसी कौन सी बात जो आपको लगता है, आपने बताया कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे टर्निंग पॉइंट्स, बट एक ऐसी बात जो आपको लगता है कि वो हाईलाइट रही आपकी पूरे 46 years या even before that or after that, what is that one thing which you think is the highlight?
Again, I'll make it more diplomatic answer. Every step has been a very remarkable in my career. But certainly posting to the Prime Minister's duty was the most significant. And prior to that, some operations which I conducted during my BSF tenure were very significant. And last but not the least, my development in the private sector has also been landmark. And whatever today I'm doing also is related to national security. I can of course tell you that I assisted the government in doing the lawful call interception, not the Pegasus. The lawful call interception, I assist the government to do that. So I'm still very closely, involved into national security still. And I'm very, very proud of it. At this age, I've got this opportunity to still equally and strongly work for the government.
ये तो आपने हाईलाइट बताया अपने लाइफ का, लेकिन अब मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि एक ऐसी कौन सी बात है जो आपके बारे में कोई नहीं जानता?
You mean my girlfriends?
Only I said young, big and vibrant.
Now I've said enough.
But on this platform, sir, I would like to request you to give a message to the younger generation, to the audience of our program.
You just need to be a simple, normal human being to attain anything you want to. We don't want Spider-Man, we don't want Tarzans, we don't want Hunterwalas or anybody. You should be a normal human being, just totally balanced in your life. And you can attain anything through being simple, through being honest, through being truthful, through being punctual is another very good thing that one must do. And just be normal, and you will succeed. That's all I know.
I have learned most of the things from you, what you just said, and I'm trying to learn more.
Rajiv, you have exceptional qualities that is very vivid. I don't have to say anything. Anybody sees your photograph will be able to say more about you. Thank you very much for your time.
हम इस कार्यक्रम में अपने आने वाले सभी मेहमानों से एक रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं और आपसे भी वही करना चाहते हैं कि एक ऐसा कोई गाना जो आप हमें गा के सुनाइए. मैं इसके लिए जिद करूंगा आपसे कि आप वो गा के सुनाइए जो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब हो, या ऐसा आपको लगता हो कि आपको वो अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब करता हो.
Has been, my drawback. But मैं तुमको एक शेर सुना सकता हूँ, which is dedicated to my wife again. मेरे मरने के बाद और जलाने से पहले मेरे दिल को निकाल के रख लेना, है किसी और की अमानत कहीं जल न जाए.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you so much, and really honored talking to you. Really happy for this interaction. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to the close of season 1 of Jaane and Jaane with this 24th episode, and I've been extremely lucky to start Jaane and Jaane season 1 in episode 1 and had another of my teacher and mentor, Captain S.B. Tyagi, and to end we have today Shri Sudhir Gauriar. So I think this is the best of both the worlds that I have personally got. We'll come back to you with season 2 with more people, more interactions, different kind of profiles, and till then, take care and stay safe.